Hello everyone, let's make these beautiful flowers. You can also write messages inside it. So cut a square craft paper, start folding it, make 8 such pieces and combine all of them in the shape of tutu, and your flower is ready. Now cut a yellow circle, paste it at the center, paste its leaves and stick, and look, your beautiful flower sticks are ready. We are going to make these colorful flowers, so cut multicolored circle and fold it like this. We are folding red craft paper here, fold in and paste it using double-sided tape. Now make 8 such pieces and combine all of them one after another in a circular manner, and it's ready. Now fold a green craft paper and paste it on both sides of the circle like this. Open it and look, your colorful flower is ready. Let's make this beautiful blue flower. So we are going to cut this paper. We are cutting rectangular piece of paper, fold it from its sides. Now make 6 such pieces and combine all of them in the set of 3 tie it at the center using rubber band, or you can also use a thread. Now open all the petals like this and curl all of them with a pointy object, or you can use small stick. Now fold another paper and cut it. Here we are making same color sepal here, so open it and roll another blue stick and combine all of them together like we're doing here. We are combining the flower, sepal, all of them one after another and paste it using glue like this. Then we are going to make a leaf, so we are taking a darker color paper here, paste all of them together, and look, your flower is ready. Let's make this beautiful lotus flower hanging. So cut a plastic bottle and make multiple cuts on the yellow paper, paste it on the top of the bottle. Now take a pink craft paper, cut the petals of the lotus flower like this. We're also drawing lines on the top, paste it around the bottle using double-sided tape. Similar way, paste green petal, and look, your lotus flower is ready. You can put fairy light inside it and it's done. Let's make this beautiful flower bouquet. We're going to make the flower by rolling these clay balls and combine all the 5 balls together and make lines on it like we're doing here. We're giving it shape of a petal. It's done. Now roll another blue clay and put it at the center. Add more details like we are making dots inside it and the white pearls as well. Paste the leaves. We are making it using green clay on the flower stick, and look, it is ready. Now we are going to wrap it using this newspaper. Combine all of them, paste a beautiful bow, and look, it is ready. You can make more such colorful flower bouquet. Let's make these colorful flowers. We're going to fold this square paper, make multiple folds, cut it and again cut it, make a triangular shape. We are cutting the edges as well. We are making V cut here. Now open it like we're doing here, and look, your petal is ready. Color the edges like this. We're using red color and fold all the cuts like this. Now make 8 such pieces and put all of them on this yellow stick one after another and paste it by a glue like we're doing here. Now we are going to fold this yellow paper. Here we are making the sepal, so open it like this, make a hole at the center and put it at the bottom of the flower. Paste the leaves like this. You can make more such colorful flowers and put them inside this beautiful bouquet. Paste a bow and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.